Hello, everyone. Okay, so today I wanted to get into just some more on Canva and really just the ones that I use the most. I do use their presentations quite a lot in Canva, so we might as well start with that one. So the presentations are cool. And I won't go in tons of detail because in fact, I'm actually going to do its own private training on this, but there's tons of really cool slides that you pretty much can just plop in and edit and or brand. So I'll do a specific training on that one. So let's hold off, but let's come over here to create a design. So my most popular would be obviously Instagram post, a story, Facebook post, story, and then logos just for the 500 by 500 pix dimension. So let's just come over to Instagram post. Now, the coolest thing with Canva Pro is the fact that there are so many templates I could choose from. It's absolutely insane. So, and most of them have this little pro icon. So when you're doing this, I use Instagram post designs for websites, funnels, and all the kind of stuff because they come up really clear, and then I can always shrink their dimension on the website or funnel. One other thing that I always like is animations. And that's essentially having the text and the elements. So essentially everything minus like the background would move. Which is really, really cool. So you can add these in and you can download them as a little tiny MP4 video. So this is great for ads. It's great for like, not really GIFs, but tiny short second movements to grab the audience attention. So I love doing that. And again, you can't click on these to add the animation. You just want to click outside and then up here under the stomp, that's where you would add some animation in, and then you can adjust the timing of it. So if I wanted to do that and then hit play, it's just essentially, it's not doing much, but it's just adding time, which if you are running ads, sometimes is better because you're going to get, if people watch and just leave this running, then you're going to get better conversion numbers. But normally for these, I don't know why you would keep them that high. So just keep them like 5 seconds or less. So some other things, obviously the photos I use a lot. And as you can see, some of my recent searches, you literally can search anything. You can do, oh, as you can see, actually, this is pretty cool. So they have different keywords here that you can search for, which I love. It just makes it so much easier, right? Because then you're not having to do it all. Elements. Again, you can search elements. Like if you want to search a computer, then you're going to get a bunch of these little designs. A little trick that's really cool is if you do have a picture like this and you take a screenshot, say, of your course or something like that, you can add it in to make it look like it's a full screen when it's really not. It's a little cheat trick. So if you're doing like, join my course, this would be kind of a screenshot of like the opening page of your course. And it's just a fun thing to do. In fact, you can even do this if you want to type in, actually, I was just doing this today. So I use this image. Actually, I made it full. So I went like that. And then I came over and I uploaded, I'm not going to do hers, but I uploaded a client's picture of her membership. So it kind of looked like that, which was really cool. So those are little tips that we can do. I love using their animations. I think they're so fun. Let's see. You can technically have them come in too, which is neat because you can save this as the MP4. And then you can change, like if you want this to be a colored background, then, and if you just want to have the verbiage or maybe text underneath here, like that, just making it really, 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 really basic, but fun because you're adding these little features, right? So let's see. I do like going through some of their style designs, which again is another feature. When you click these, essentially, it'll kind of style design it for you, which is really cool. And then when you come into colors, again, here's some of your branded colors and whatnot. You can add audio in. I'll do another training on that in a second. So as far as design capabilities, I really either create a custom size. I don't know why that keeps making that weird noise. So I normally create a custom size, or for the most part, I use the Instagram post or the Facebook post or something like that. You can kind of scroll through here to see all what they have, because there's so many options, right? It's like, it's insane. All right, so that's it for this one, and let's jump to the next one.